Samsung has just introduced the Galaxy F15. This is a device that has a huge battery and is part of the F series, which unfortunately is only distributed in India. But as we like technology, we like to know what Samsung presents. In addition to the huge battery of 6000 mAh, it stands out for a full HD AMOLED display of 6.6 inches. The processor is the MediaTek 6100 Plus, and it comes with a 50 megapixel main camera plus ultra-wide camera and macro camera. The battery is 5000 milliamps and offers 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches. It does not stand out much in design as it still retains a notch, and the base version is 4 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. Its announced price for India has been 12,999 rupees. On screen you see the reference price in other currencies just to give you an idea, but remember that prices here are not the same as over there. Let me know if you would like Samsung to launch these F-series devices in other regions, because apparently they are the new Galaxy M, because at one time the Galaxy M had a much tighter price, but today, honestly, the Galaxy M are not as attractive in price as they were at the beginning. Currently, Samsung's most attractively priced are the Galaxy F, which are only sold in India.